my blue eyes, who is sailing far over the sea. And I'm thinking tonight of her only, and I wonder if she ever thinks of me. Oh yeah. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Good day, all you banjo pickers. I've decided to make an arrangement of an old Carter family song called Thinking Tonight of My Blue Eyes, recorded way back in the 20s. And I've been covering a lot of people, including country artists like Johnny Cash, and of course lots of bluegrass people. And I have, as you can see, my capo on the 4th fret, because that's where I like to sing it, in the key of B. So you know that open is G, right? Go up 1 fret, it's G sharp. Go up another fret, it's A. G to A is like 2 frets. A is 2 frets higher than G. Go up 2 more frets, you have a B, because in between is a B flat or an A sharp. A sharp and B flat are the same thing. It's the in between the A and the B. So anyway, so we're in B, only 3 chords. The open is a B, but we'll say from the capo, we'll call the chords from the capo. So G, C, and we've got a D or D7. Now this D7, you can use it in this tab at the second last, third last bars. So it'll be bar 13 and 14 in the tab. But it's a stretch, and if you cannot get it yet, your hand isn't, if you haven't been playing very long and your hand isn't stretched out, you can get away with, because there's an open string at the end of bar 13, and you can get your 4th fret 4th string there with a ring instead of like that, which is the stretch I'm talking about. And that's a D7 with that 4th fret 4th string. So if you can't get that yet, not to worry, because you can play it right there. I'm like on that D7, and you can whip over and get that with the ring. But I like to play it. So anyway, let's start at the beginning here. Pick up notes. 1st and 2nd string, open. 1st and 2nd string. 2nd string is the 1st fret. This is that Foggy Mountain breakdown hammer. 2nd and 3rd fret on the 2nd string. As soon as you hit that 3rd fret, play the 1st string. So they ring together. They're both from the capo D note. 2 forward rolls, then or slide, you know the slide, 2 to 3 slide on the 3rd string. Go to a C, but not quite the C you're used to yet, because you need this 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, yeah. Form the C, form like an A minor, if you know that chord. Thinking tonight of my blue eyes. Bunch of forward rolls, and now I've kind of syncopated the melody. Who has sailed in far over the sea? Same pickup notes, except now not the hammer yet. Open first, then the hammer. That's the same. Now a little bit different. That's the same as the first time around. do right there, the D set. And then, like I said, you got to either whip over with your ring finger to get the 4th fret 4th string. Slide, 3rd string 2 to 3. Go back with your index to get the 2nd fret 3rd. And ding. And then the tag lick. You know that one, right? I've had it before in some of the other videos I made. It's the most common, probably the most common tag lick, ending line lick. And because it's you can slide to 4th string, but I like to slide to 3rd string, the 3rd fret. I mean, the 3rd string to 3rd fret, 2 to 3. It's a bluesy thing. If you slide all the way to 4th, it sounds like this. Sounds fine. Whatever you like. Player's choice. Make it the Night of My Blue Eyes. Very nice old tune and a jam favorite. So take your time, go slow, scan the tab, print it off. You can slow this video down, it's on YouTube. Slow it down if you have to, follow every note. Play along real slow. Well, first get it to a point where you can kind of play along without a lot of hesitation, right? And then you can play along with my performance of it slow. Put it on slow, half speed or so. And you can play along very slow, and you've got it. And slowly speed it up. Speed it up. I'd say like 4 or 5 clicks at a time. Don't make big jumps, because sometimes when your fingers aren't used to a quicker speed, they will start using the wrong movements. And you don't want wrong movements, because they'll get ingrained, and then you'll stumble around when it gets up to when you want it up to speed, you'll stumble. So always slow and accurate, much better than fast and sloppy. All right, take care. See you later.